if you look, you can see that it's not really stepped. As you can see, the wall about to come off. I'm trying to stay still so you can see that the actual wall is moving. As you can see, we can really patch this up, but it's not our best way to do this. Before we can put skirting board, we'll need to put bonding and try to do this properly as well, and then plaster it afterwards. That's how it's done. Area has been fixed with bonding, and hopefully this should dry before the end of the day so we can sand it up and making good and paint over it. So that's pretty much it.